I now have a song stuck in my head. Da-da-da-da. How's everybody doing? Good afternoon slash good morning. We all good? We're all amazing? We're all ready to do this thing?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Hope you are all good. Hope you're all great. Let's do this. What are we doing? We're doing something. Okay. Lubba Dubba, what's up? How are you? Have you just hopped on now? Did you get any trades? No? Yes? Maybe? How long have you been on the charts for? Oops. Okay, I see we had a little bit of a whoosh back up. Let me mark out. Look at how nicely this would have worked. But it's okay. It's okay. I did my reasoning for not taking it, so it's fine. On to the next, right? Woke up late, just sat. Oh, cool. So we're just gonna go through everything now quickly together. Okay, just pre-order, waiting, retest. Are you in? What's up, David? I can't believe you're still awake. Are you good? I was actually thinking that earlier. I was like, what? Wait. What's up? Into. Oh, damn. Although this is not the correct one, but it bounced off of it pretty solidly. I'm gonna have to shoot. That's what I forgot to do again. Ah, that's okay. Woo! Sorry, my brain had a malfunction. I was doing this. What's that supposed to be about, baby? Do 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 do. All the songs are stuck in my head. And that's okay. Okay, midnight open is below. I'm feeling some bears might start coming to play ball. Is it gonna happen? Let's wait and see. London low, 'tis below. And this freaking ridiculous resistance zone, which means this might be quite a decent supply zone. Let's wait and see. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. Went all the way back up. Let's see. I'm just gonna mark this out. I'm not gonna label it as anything. It's just a level. It's just a level. Let's see. So we're still in this new weekly opening gap. It has taken out quite a bit of highs. It has still not taken out my main point of interest though at this 25101 level. Let's see if we get there. Adrenaline pumping too much was. Maybe you should write a book about your crazy life. What the heck, man, David? Are you good? Yeah, honestly, maybe just get one of those door cams or something. That's a thing, right? I don't think we can have them in South Africa. I think people have them in South Africa. Or DoorDash. What's it called? There's a thing, right? That's a thing. I think. Anyways. I don't know what to do with myself now that we've kind of marked everything out so early. How weird. Look at those two people lost that on my front lawn. What in the Australia is going on there? I would judge, but like I'm on a community group where I live and there's constantly like drunk people pass out everywhere. So, you know, who am I to judge? Who am I to judge? I have a buy at 247.70. Oh, nice. Where's your TP at, Diego? Also, I can't believe you're back in a trade. What the heck? I thought you were maybe like done for the day. I guess that was. Where you at, Diego? I didn't even ask. Where you from, by the way? Let me just make sure all of this is getting sort of. Why is it so quiet today? Is everyone good? You got 24948. Oh, that is so close. That's not fair. Will today be up to down? Gaprex, that's what I'm low-key thinking it's going to do. I could be so wrong though, right? You can suspect things all you want when it comes to the charts. Doesn't mean it's gonna actually listen to you. But yeah, I would be keen on seeing it now go down to the bearish side. Like I said, even if it goes back to midnight open again, that would be quite cool. You're from Portugal. Wait, you were here that? No, you weren't. You were here the other day. I'm sorry. No, you weren't. You were not. I was chatting you the other day, didn't I? I did. Why? Gosh, it's only Wednesday, but my brain's going, it's Friday. Good morning, little lady. What's up, Bob? I feel like I absolutely butchered that accent. I butchered that. This is why I can't do accents, guys. I would never, ever, ever, well, number one, I won't be able to be an actress because, believe it or not, I get so weird in front of cameras. So number one. Number two, accents, terrible. I am so bad when it comes to accents. The other day I was watching something and I was like, huh, what is this accent? And my friend looked at me and they were like, Australian. I was like, no, it's not. Yes, it is. I was like, no, that's like British. They were like, what is wrong with you? And I was, oh, apparently a lot is wrong with me. But anyways. But always TP on very highs and move stop loss accordingly to charts. My TP is my stop loss. Nice, okay. I'm so sorry. So we were having that discussion about Portugal and I'm so sorry. I apologize. It's Friday with Thursday. I don't know. Ask my brain. What's up, Kevin July? How are you doing? How did it go earlier today? Hello, it was, well, good. I guess I had this win. If I'd set up the next trade, it would have been a win. So that's cool.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Me get weird in front of cameras. Oh, so much. Like, I freeze up and people go act natural. I'm like, okay, am I doing it? They're like, no, what are you doing? I'm acting natural. They're like, no, you're not. Then I don't know what natural is. I'm just naturally weird, so it doesn't help to tell me to act natural. I'm gonna act weird. But anywho, so who thinks what's gonna happen? We have a few minutes. Let's do this. Bears or bulls? Who thinks what's gonna take over? Rar? Rar. Or moo. If you don't know what rar or moo means, maybe you need to go back to, I don't even know. Okay. Rar. Moo. Hey Dom, you thinking long when market opens? That's interesting. Okay, when market opens, sure, but overall, let's maybe ask that. Oh, the moo seem to be winning. Interesting. The Oldest Dream? What's up? What a cool YouTube handle. That's awesome. That's happy you came to my trade. I want to share my wins and losses with. Ah, that's why you have joined this community. You can now share the happy days and we can cry together as well. There's lots of crying. Mainly. Maybe I need to end the stream now. What are we? We are 9 minutes in and I apparently can't speak English anymore. Maybe we need to just call it a day here before it just gets worse. Cameras get weird in front of me. I love that. I think a bump up till 10:17 and dump down majority of the day. It is bull flagging on the 5 minute, but we all know that could go either way. Hey yo, one. Oh, what's up? We sit on our hands. We fits, we sits. Bears growl, not roar. Like a a raw noise. They were rawr. That's raw. Please don't clip that. Anyways, we go above top bob level. Okay, so you think we're gonna go above... Oh, why does this look so chaotic? Anyways, above here. Interesting. Let's see where this goes to. Bob, how do I put this? I had a trade that spiked every single emotion in me. You can call it a winner, you can call it a sweater creator, you can call it a nerve wracker, you can call it whatever you want. This thing got a tick away from my stop loss before shooting up to take TP. Then I moved it to break even oh so quickly. It then came down, took me out because I left a runner to Asia High, which was up around here. I left a runner up to the Asia High. It took me out at break even and then went straight up to where my runner was. So that was a mixed bag of all the emotions just popped into one, which is why I didn't take the next trade, because I literally had to sit and center myself again.
Why are you doing this?
You waiting for me?
Why are you even thinking
it says
this way?
where I'll Google it. I'm gonna Google it. Fine, I will Google it. Will you make me now? I didn't want to do fun fact just yet, but I will Google. Okay. We're now on a mission. I wanna do bears roar. What does that mean? Okay, well that's not what I wanted. Do you guys want to see the fun fact of the day? No, we'll do that later. Well, screw it. If it doesn't want to let me do it there, then guess what? I'm gonna do it on my phone. Well, it thinks that it's unusual for me to be doing that. Apparently. Apparently it doesn't like the fact that I googled that. From Bob to Bob. Bob, I love that. Bob, I know exactly what you're talking about. Okay. Do bears roar? Bears do make sounds that can be described as roars, but they are generally deeper, more guttural, and less frequent than the cinematic, long-lasting roar of a lion. These vocalizations, along with growls, which means they roar as well. Bim. Puffs and jaw popping. That's terrifying. There we go. Context. Roars and deep growls. So it does both. Mic. I'm not gonna drop my phone. Mic drop. Okay. Google saying you trade like a bot. That's a compliment? Just saying. Anyways. 3 minutes left. Thank you. Okay, well, 2 minutes left now. Let's quickly check how do the polls look. Okay, so the Moo-Moos seem to be winning. Yeah, Moo-Moos appear to be winning. Let's see. Not by a lot, to be fair, but they are winning. Where's everyone at? Is everyone good? Anyways, let's do this. We have 1 minute left. I have not done my top to bottom analysis. No, to be fair, not much has happened from this morning, but still, let's see. Well, it still hasn't taken out my point of interest, so there's not much for me to analyze right now. Yep. $247.75, but not financial advice. I gotcha. Let's see. We have 15 seconds left. 14, 13. And 6, 5, 4, bob to bob. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, that was it. Moment over. Okay, let's do this now. Let's get serious. I feel so damn alive. Oh, what's up, Peter Barker? Okie dokie. Moving on. I think you need to change your name to Teach Hiccups. Wow. Rude. Okay. Bob to Bob. Sorry, curiosity is getting the best of me. Okay, so that range 50% was tagged, so this would have been that trade right there. Oh, mwah! Chef's kiss, it's respecting this again. Oh my gosh, my strategy is back. Well, let's not get too cocky. Let's wait for confirmation. Let's not get... it's nice that it looks like it's respecting... Whew, my confluences again. I feel like I can slowly being the keyword, start trusting again. Let's do this.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Hey, Debbie, what's up? Who caught that bob to bob? No, honestly. Dom, are you leaving? That was so quick. Random mayonnaise, what's up? Aunt's teaching us how to gamble properly. How now? Please don't act like that again. I will act however I want. You're not the boss of me. The only person who's the boss of me is probably Bob. If Bob yells at me, I get really sad. Okay, 9:30 a.m. range. Right here. Okay. Okay. 9:30 a.m. Done. Not quite what I wanted, but that was a solid wick down. Let's see now where we go from here. I told you, top Bob, and see you later, alligator. Oh yeah, Dom, I guess. Dom, where did you enter into the trade? Did you enter as market opened? David, you're acting like you have never watched my live before. I am just cringe. I am the definition of cringe. If you go onto the Urban Dictionary, that's it. I forgot the name of it. If you go onto the Urban Dictionary and you look under cringe, there is a big fat photo of me there. Yeah, what my... Which trade? Which strat? Hi! Oh, okay. We have a parry. Remember wizard, yep. And are we there? Are you talking about my GAN box? One of the biggest plays that made me profitable, suggest a massive dump. I must say, if I'm gonna start mastering this prediction thing, I'm gonna be quite chuffed. I personally think that the bears will come into play. Maybe it's gonna take out some more buy-side liquidity. I could be wrong. Let's see. Robocop just passed me. Yay! Robocop! Whoop, whoop, that's amazing! Oh my gosh, Robocop! Whoop. I wish you could see him. He is resting his head on my chair. What? I've nearly finished all your sweeties. This is how many sweeties I give you per day just because you're cute. It's not even like you work for them. Like, literally, it's not even like he works for these. He looks cute and he gets some. I wish life was that easy. Anyways. Where's my thanks? What the heck, man? I even gave you a whoop whoop, Robocop. Go with the directions the market shows you. Well, it stopped. It had this, and now it kind of went meh. So if it's going meh, we go meh, and we wait. Okay. Let's do this. You are welcome, Robocop. See, I got you. Also, boss lady. No. Yes, buy side and buyers being led up the garden path from the looks of open. Let's see. I mean, it started with some oomph. Yes, I said oomph. And that's all she wrote. I mean, 118 opening candle. Now it's me. I mean, here's the... What's this? From the opening candle till here, it's only moved 13 points to create the 5-minute candle. That's not a lot. So I know it's good to have a bias, but I also know that it's bad to then get stuck on your bias. So let me not get stuck on it, right? Trade what is presented to you. Trade what is presented. So you are correct. Presented right now indicates that the bulls are here. Struggle to break above. Let's see if a first presented is created here. My def. Wow. This might be the big sweep. What's that supposed to be about, baby? Also, I'm not bossy. Careful! I'll ban you, okay? Because apparently that's what I do now. Okay. Watch yourself. Oh, hey Michelle, how you doing? How's it going? Okay, let's wait for 3, 2, 1. Bam, first presented. Okay. First presented right there. Do I multi-stream? Yes. Kind of. We'll say multi-stream, sure. Still stuck in that 9:30 range and the 5-minute candle. Let's see. Gots to wait for confirmation though. If I was a gambling man, I might be keen on taking this, but don't do that. No. Oh, no, never mind. The 5-minute looks disgusting. Don't take this. Leave it alone. Hands off. What did I have stuck in my head this morning? Oh no. What have I done? It's now gonna get stuck in my head again. You guys are gonna have to listen to me sing it again. I'm so sorry. No one made a comment though, so clearly it wasn't as annoying as I thought it was. Next entry, long under bob level. Ah, that means it's gonna go down further. Oh, that was a solid rejection for that first presented. Nice. Chicken wing, chicken wing. Hey Diego, why time frame 1 minute? I don't know, I like it. I think that's about it. I was in with 36 micros. It's 64. I would have blown the account by now. Price tab, I TP it. Market open and reversed. Oh, Robocop, what the heck, man? Good job. Thanks. Oh, wait, you mean tap here and up? What do you mean? So you would enter long here. I don't know. Let's see. Chicken wing, and a macaroni. No, how does it go? Chicken wing. Something a macaroni. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, while we're making for this, no, let's wait a little bit longer. I get excited about, but I wanted to start doing fun fact of the day. But let's wait. Let's wait a little bit longer. Maybe closer to the middle of the session because some juicy stuff might start happening now. Fatimur. 36 micros.
That's what she said.
Ah, man. Check at that. That would have been a perfect wick in. Perfect wick down. Oh well, it's okay. It did not look good on the higher time frames, but it would have been a solid win. Okay. So now start trusting. 1, 2. Okay, I say that this was a B. Maybe with the bob level, you could say it was an A+ setup, but it was more like a B setup. Let's just be real. I'm a B. Yeah, who said 36 micros? Oh, Robocop. 36 micros. Robocop, how much did you get? You should journal why you didn't take that trade. So sweet and simply, the first presented is either a hit or a miss. I must actually start working out the percentages of how much it's a hit or a miss, because some days it respects the first presented like it ain't nobody's business. And then other days it stomps all over it like it's not there. Turned off the cricket essay losing to New Zealand. Oh no. Sans? Oh dear. Sorry? Sorry, me when it comes to cricket and stuff. My partner's going short and I'm waiting to go long. Who's your partner? Me? No, that was so arrogant. Who's your partner? Diogo? Diogo. Is it Diogo? Fun fact. Well, I guess it's with Spanish and... Oh, so I guess that's not the fun fact. But anyways, fun fact. You know Spanish and Portuguese, right? Anything ending in an A is female and anything ending in an O is male. Did you know that was a thing? Used to drive my Ava, grandma, absolutely insane that we had a female dog named Milo. She used to call her Mila just because of the fact that she was a female. Anyways, you have to use other confluences that might have strengthened that. First presented fair value gap. But okay, but we're gonna have to backtest this. Okay, we'll have to backtest this. Like what? Okay, because I've had it before where it's been the first presented with, and it's still just disrespected. Let me actually find one in the Discord. I'll find one in the Discord for you. Literally, it had 5 confluences. It was not respected at all. Get my name right. It's Diogo. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Like it was lined up with a serious level. This level here. And because of that, it was a goodie. Chicken wing, macaroni. Anyways. Fun fact, Maya's cringy comments are worse than dad jokes. And I'm proud of it, baby. I am very happy to be cringy. Rather cringy than... I'm trying to think of a PG-13 PG-13 way of saying this. Rather cringy with weird comments and jokes than an open lady. Then the town bicycle. You know, if you know, you know. If you don't know, I'm not explaining it. Okay, but again, Bob, I hear what you're saying. It's lined up with your level. Yes. I'm gonna go back and find some for you to see. I've had some that looked exactly like that, and do you know how quickly it just disrespected it? I haven't done how many would have worked, like the percentage of if it's worth taking it regardless of if it's a hit or miss. But when I say I've had a perfect setup better than this one before. I hear what you're saying. Sorry, I'm not trying to brush you off. I'm saying it's something I need to maybe further back test and see, like, percentage wise, if it's like it works 70% of the time, it's worth losing those 30% of the time, right? That type of thing, because maybe that's then just the one and done trade for the day off the first, well, if it lines up nicely, right? First presented, boom, done. Oh, thank you, Debbie. You're so sweet. David, learn from Debbie. M-O? Oh, there we go. M-O, midnight open. Sorry, it took me a moment. I was like, Mo, who's Mo? I have allergies to learn. Hey, check, what's up? Oh, thanks, check. Psycho Ty, what's up? Attention. The song has been stuck in my head since this morning. It's driving. Oh. And this is the 5-minute is basically the 15-minute candle. Yeah, basically. It's a itty bitty bit over there, but otherwise that's a 15-minute candle for you. Not quite. Damn, okay, respect it again. Are we working hard today or hardly working? You know. No, I'm kidding. Damn. Okay, this first presented as a boss if I've ever seen one. Now that's getting interesting, isn't it? Hey, Lucas, what's up? Oh boy, hammer candle of that 1-minute doji. Yep. Does this count as a hammer? A little bit. Okay. Okay. No? Yes. What? Yes. I feel like I just looked at the exact wrong one that you just mentioned. Sorry. So Dom still believes to go above the last high. Sure, what a solid rejection. Couldn't quite tap back into the bob level. Curiosity kind of got the best of me here. I don't think it's either. If it goes low enough, it might just plow straight through though. Never mind. Okie dokie. More or less. Ah, okay. Lucas, how you doing? How's the trading been? Still rejecting off that first presented. Okay, buyers are wanting to come into play, but just with no luck. If you add another high, it'll be good. But, I mean, this hasn't even broken out the 5-minute range. Let's just, I mean, it hasn't even properly broken out the 9:30 a.m. range. Level to level to level. Honestly, this is getting ridiculous. Bob, did you take any of these, by the way? Have you taken these? But yes, it is literally going level to level to level. Let's see if this goes back down to level. Okay, you think we're gonna break in a few minutes? So if I'd had this set up, again, just... Okay. I have a lot more going against it than I have going for it. Let's, yeah. I forgot. Yeah, you're right. So you're done. You're done. You having a happy chappy day. Nice. I didn't get much for my win earlier, so I still have the opportunity to take this higher. Hello. Oh, Harry just came and gave me a lick. That's nice. Thanks, bud. Hey, Jenny. What's up? You know what you get? You get a special hike. Do you see how they're running out? Literally. How you doing, Jenny? You get a special high from a very special someone. This one. Because he's special. Annoyingly special. Did you hear that? Annoying. Yeah, you can hurt my legs. Okay. Other one as well. No, you chopstick. Okay. Give me your paw. The other paw. Both paws. Thank you. There we go. Yeah, good boy. Like making him do squats. Here's the number one. Okay, I'm sorry. Your claws. Do I have a pet shark? A pet shark? A pet shark? Maybe soon. I'm literally waiting. I've been waiting for March. Literally been waiting for March. I know I've been saying this, but I have been because... okay, very long story, but it's okay. Oh damn, it's working out. Like I said, this just had way too much going against it. Top level first presented. I'm trying to decide if I'm irritated for missing trades, but they're all in a range, so not really. Oh, thanks, Jenny. Anyone that's just hopped on, of course it goes all the way up. Okay, now I mustn't.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I just mustn't let the frustration of missing trades now get to me and I jump in on one that is not good. Yes. That's no, that's bad. That's bad. I do have a habit of doing that. No, maybe not a habit. I don't like to say habit because that sounds like it's a real problem, but... That's my main continuation. Thanks, Debbie. Oh, goodness. Okay. You're being logical, it's weird. Anyways. 9 EMA, 21 EMA, 55 EMA. So Jenny, is that what you trade? I'm assuming. I know it's bad to assume, but I'm assuming because you brought it up, right? I do not use those, personally. Sorry. Okay. Do you think it's actually gonna break out of this? 1, 2, 3. Free. Oh no, the penguin did it. Was the penguin's fault. Sorry. 4 minutes, we broke zone. 5 minutes, what? Is this his eyeball I've been looking for? The value gap one can get set high target. Oh, interesting. No? Yes, I'm not good at all. I'm new in trading. That's okay, Jenny. I'm also fairly new. I've only been trading for 11 months. What do we say no to, Bob? Bob, what's no? What's no? What's no? My penguin? I dropped him. I found his eyeball though, so I feel a little bit better now. Logical? I'm always logical. I need to quickly wait. I need to quickly clean my glasses because I feel like I read something and I'm not sure if I'm. Let me see if I read this correctly. Okay, let's read this again. David just said logical. I'm always logical. Oh, okay, so it wasn't dirty glasses. They. Okay, back to the trades. Anyway. Dumb the last time. Let's see. No, I don't think it's gonna break out, but I don't know. Got it. To be fair, a lot of people said they're just gonna sit on their hands for today. Oh, shoot, is there news? I feel like there's news. Is there news today? I did not go and check if there was news today. That's my bad. 3 minutes left. Oh, this is why you're saying 3 minutes left, Dom. Okay, so there is potentially news today, and that's why Dom's saying 3 minutes, because in 3 minutes is when news would be. Let's do this. Okay. Still stuck in this range. Perfect timing and staying calm to think is best entry. Jenny, basically. So Jenny, how long have you been learning or trading for? I know you said you're a beginner, but you know, beginner can mean a lot of things. I say PM. Okay, so it's a hectic one. Okay, 2 minutes to go. Let's see what happens. I'm glad then I'm hands off until the chaos or potential chaos. Watch nothing happen. I'm more logical than your capability to English. Okay, you're setting the bar real damn low, David. Just saying. You're setting the bar oh so low. My capability to English is not great, and I am English. Jenny, 5 years. But on and off 5 years? Or... Yeah. So 5 years, have you been trading like full time for 5 years? Or maybe not full time, but like every day for 5 years. I'm very busy at work, I can't trade at all right now. Okay, that answers that question, sorry. But you want to start trading. Or you want to at least try to start taking trading a little bit more seriously, right? Well, that's the goal. Let's try to ask this. What is the goal? Do you want to start trading full time? Bear in a foxhole? Hi, by the way. Good grief. Everyone's being so quiet. Are we all focusing? You all are better than me. Anyways. You're English. Always say you're South African. Yeah, my language. I'm not South African language. There's 11. 11? There's 11 languages in South Africa. If I was newbie again, I was going to study and learn instead, going to put money in Byron. Study and learn before you click buy. Yogo? Yeah. Yeah. I agree with you on that one. Not saying I'm pro. Don't worry. I don't think there is such thing as... Well, no, I guess there is such thing as pro traders, obviously. They're the ones that get payouts and they're really, really good. Okay, let's see. Still could not break out. Aw, thanks, Jenny. See? Be nice like Jenny, damn. Good grief, someone woke up with an attitude. It was me, but anyways. Still struggling to break above this and 15 minute. 15, 14, 13, 12. It did go above the high, Dom. What were you thinking? Asia high. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still struggle to break above. Oh, okay. Maybe now we're gonna break above. This today's? Oh my gosh. No, that's Mondays. That's what I'll say. That's not today's. There's Asia high here. What is those highs? Okay. Although, that being said, still not breaking above. That's how it's supposed to be about, baby. Headed to high above. Is she cooking? Yep. How many girls have we got in the community now? Debbie? Not tons. Who here is female? I always get nervous asking, but anyways. Me? Debbie? Jenny? I don't like to assume. I don't think I'll be taking trades there. What's up, OTT? What? You don't like this? Hi. It looks like so much fun. 1, 2, 3. Oh, shoot. But I don't trust this. Ah, this is the problem with having a bias. Never mind. It's not. I take that back real quickly. Cool. Joke's on you, I haven't slept. Diogo. Anyways. Bob. Theodora, there we go, thank you. Subscribe. Oh, thanks, Jenny. You're nice. Literally, you got to be careful about what you ask nowadays. You could get cancelled that easily. Set up 100% correct. That's all for today. Okay. Yeah, no, Debbie, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful what you do nowadays. Could be in so much trouble. Even the news didn't properly break up above it then. I mean, today just could be where you go bob to bob to bob to bob to bob to bob. Literally. No. Anyways. Who can cancel me? I don't know. I get when they try. I would be happy. Oh, good grief. Okay, we opened a whole can of worms here. Whoops. Seriously? We really think this is just gonna be stuck? It's not supposed to be about me. No, go have fun. What happened? No, go have fun. What happened? Talk to Auntie Maya, because apparently I'm old. Oh no. Yeah, okay, it's back to being rangy. This would have been a loss, this would have been a loss. Yep. Okay, while we wait for this to figure itself out, let's have a look at a fun fact of the day. What do y'all think? Let's do this, let's do this. Okie dokie, so I have it set up. Fun fact of the day. I have not seen this yet, so let's see. Well, technically it's the second fun fact of the day. If you want to see the first one, you're gonna have to go check out the London session. Okay? It's a brain. Okay. The same brain cycles that occur when asleep still happen when you're awake, but in smaller sections. This means part of your brain are always... Oh, parts of your brain. Okay, it would help. English. Parts of your brain are always falling asleep. That makes so much sense. Apparently the part that speaks English is always falling asleep in mine. So that's okay. There we go. There's a fun fact of the day. And now we can go back to charts. You best believe this is going to be a thing. Might as well learn something fun. We're going to learn something new every single day. Have fun isn't having fun. What? Baby, you're still a baby. I'm not... I was going down and change and spike up like crazy. Oh no, no, go have fun, I'm so sorry. I'm from Myanmar. Nice. What's up, Minto? Trader Neptune. A long time no see. How's the trading going? Kulule, the brain burns more calories when your brain is not focusing on anything. What? That doesn't sound right. Are you sure about that? Did you listen to that song yet? Where is it? Where is it? Where's the song? I literally copy pasted it. Where is it? Where's the song? If you're running, Papa. Bob, what's the song? Bob. What's the song? Bob, what's the song? What am I from? I'm from Earth, believe it or not. I know people think I'm weird enough to be a bit of an alien, but I'm actually from Earth. But I'm from South Africa. Oh my speaks to listen to this one. We can now see pullback. Solid refinement model consistently hitting 1k days. Nice! Need to work on blowing my... I'm a tilt day. Oh no. What happened? Why'd you have a tilt? That sounds weird, but yeah. Read this book called Nothing. Any advice on finding good funded strategy? No. Sorry. That maybe that sounds a bit rough, but there's... You are gonna have to find a strategy that works for you. Every strategy works. Everyone works. It's just if it makes sense to you or not. feel like throwing the trading in the road. No, go have fun. Why? There's you again. Thank you. Tested first presented zone. Not really. How did it test the first presented zone? I'm confused. What do you mean, Dom? Okay. Drinking problem by Midland. Okay. Then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna listen to it a little bit, and then it's gonna stay on the things that I've searched. Drinking problem by Midland. Ew. Okay. I'm gonna go off for 2 seconds while I listen to this before I get copyrighted. Damn, that's cool. I haven't obviously listened to all of it, but that's some good old music right there. Okay. That wouldn't have even come close, unfortunately. I mean, this could still come further down, but what do I have? I don't have much. Bounced off the 15-minute and 5-minute. Not even the 30-minute. I mean, 9:30 a.m. range. Seriously? Seriously, we're not gonna give us something good here? Anything? No? Yes? Maybe? I like your trading attitude. Very cool, very calm. Thank you. Worotiga? I feel like I butchered that. That's old folk music. I like it. No? No? What no? No? I'm gonna sell on US gold. I've absolutely no clue how gold is looking right now. So anyone trading gold, how does gold look? Yay, nay, me. Okay, 1013. I guess 1 and 2 would have been wins, just and kind of just. Yeah, anyways. This isn't moving nicely. Not for New York session anyways. No, gold looks gold. It's like orange. Was orange called orange because an orange is orange, or was the orange called orange because orange is orange? Say that fast 5 times. Oh, that was a tease and a half. I mean, I'm not taking this. This is not A+. This again is a B, not even. Guess it's a B setup. Not... No, this is not a B setup. It's like a C setup. I got... Nah, I guess a B. It has 2 confluences. I got me a shelf and I got me a bob level. That's about it. Technically the first presented, but I feel like it's been run over too many times. Attention, they clean stop losses. Come on, NQ. Let's do this. When it runs the first presented fair value gap multiple times, it means the P3 is still in accumulation. Oh, interesting. Okay. Top 10 news, what's up? Is this gold? No, this is the Nasdaq futures. Welcome, welcome. What's up? How you doing? Anyone that's just hopped on, I'm gonna do this one again.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Did I tell you guys I used to have a donkey? She was adorable. Anyways, moving on.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
I don't know, it's just what I do. Trying to decide if it's gonna be an early day today or not. With this, we have to give it time, right? I feel that's fair. We have to give it time. We do. So let's see. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, okay. So, what's your plans, guys? Seeming as we have to sit here, you're 4 beers deep. Might hit 10 by the end of it. It's Wednesday, Beans. What the heck, man? It is Wednesday, my guy. Why are you hitting them beers? I think I like you. Oh, thanks, Top 10 News. I think I like you too. You sound like a sweetie pie. Like, I get it. This price action, meh. I mean, oh right, okay. Bob, I'll send you the thing you used just now, but that's okay. So Asia Thai. Asia High. I took no trade today. I did not see my setup. Nice. Okay, but beans on toes, that's fine. Well done. Good discipline. I like that. Respected. Very, very good. Jolly good. Pip pip cheerio. I don't think top means how you think. Why? Oh, like that? That's fine. Discipline and patience is my game. This is a game to you? No, I'm kidding. Ooh, I'm so sorry. All the sass has been released. I'm letting the South African out of me for a little bit. It doesn't happen often, so you'll get some special Maya treatment today. Now to line. We have uptrend. Am I trading a funded account? Yes, I am. I'm currently with Top 1 Futures. So what's up, Maru? How you doing? Are you? What do you trade? But yeah, I am currently on my funded account. It is a little bit in drawdown. I'm slowly crawling back up out of the draw. Slowly being the key word there, but anyways. Bob to Bob. Was it finally going to my point of interest? No ways. Potentially, but no ways. Let's see what this looks like on the higher time frames. 5 minute. 5 minutes. This isn't even a freaking daily gap. And 15. Okay, on the 15 it is. That's just running away. That's cool. Okay. Have we finally got the movement? We gotta get my 55k balance. I know, we can do this. I currently don't trade futures. Nice, okay, what do you trade? What's your go-to? Clean stop loss and continuation up. If it blasts through here, hold on to your hats. Next pullback at bob level. Like I said, my point of interest is here. When it taps here though, I don't even know what's gonna happen. Don't even want to pretend to know what's gonna happen. This is the better range. This is the better entry. I just don't think it's gonna come retest this far back down. I mean, it could. There's nothing stopping it from doing that. Is there something stopping me from taking this trade? Potentially the fact that it's just run off and this is a very large freaking stop loss. Oh, no, and it's still running away. I can't even take this trade, even if I wanted to. It's bigger than I'm willing to risk right now, even with one contract. Sugar, honey, iced tea. No. It's running to my point of interest. Thank you, wait, I wasn't ready. Come back. Oh, thanks. It's coming back. I'm mostly on gold and US30. Interesting. And do you want to start trading futures? Interesting, Bob. Yep. Only trade A++ setups, don't trade anything less. Beans on toast, this is where we have quite interesting debates, right? Because then there's some debates that say that... Okay, no, not debates that say, but there's some arguments that say trade your Bs as well, but just mitigate risk. Like, halve your risk. Something like that. Like, then again, it's bad. So you see, I'm having like... contemplating it in my head, because then it's bad with regards to the discipline of only waiting for your A+ setups, right? Patience pays, but sometimes those B setups work and maybe you're losing out on potential profit, even if it's a little bit. Like, it should be that the B setups, even if they losses, shouldn't affect you that much if your A pluses are winners. Does that make sense? Just don't trade it, trust me. Facey. Robocop? Who's Facey? I'm trying to take back for apparently snitching earlier, my bad. What's that supposed to be about, baby? I don't know why that song is stuck in my head. I haven't even listened to it today. Oh, maybe I did. Maybe I did listen to it on TikTok. I can't remember. Trade with what you have. What if I don't have anything? What if I'm just here on my last leg? Diego, did you think about that? Just think. Why was I calling you Diego for so long? What is wrong with me? Sad. Give me one of your songs to listen to. Definitely interested in futures. As for no A+ setups, if you can data back it up, you should trade it. I mean, that's valid. At the end of the day, the answer to everything is backtested, right? That sounds weird, but backtested. Okay, let me go through some songs for... I have so many songs that will send Bob over the edge. Like, do you want one that'll make you angry, or do you want one that you would actually enjoy? We're climbing the Bob level ladder. I love that. Just give me one of your favorites. To be fair, I really like Evanescence Bring Me to Life. That's a real good one. And as 100 is a lot of fill value gaps to be pulled above, looking good long. Yeah, I got this here. These equal highs, New York high at this 25101-ish level has been my point of interest. There's literally 3 equal highs there. I don't even want to say relative equal highs. They are pretty solidly like in line. They are 3 equal highs right there. Maya is Gen Z. We don't excuse me. I do not identify as Gen Z, just FYI. Okay, fine. Now I'm gonna have to go through my music. I mean, to be fair, there's a lot of Nickelback, which I know I'll probably get a lot of hate for. Okay. Oh, do you know what has been like one of my favorites? Has actually been a French song. I do not know why. Oh, it's finally taken my point of interest. With no way for me to get in, but still, it took my point of interest, so I'm happy. Cries a little bit, but I'm happy. Took my point of interest. Let's see now what it does. Is it going to just dump after taking that, or just skyrocket? We might just skyrocket back up. I know there's those 2 huge fair value gaps on even the daily, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, cheers, Maru, enjoy. Bitcoin, what time frame am I using? Hey, that day is using the 1 minute. So you like rock? I do. I do kind of like rock. They're going to be broken. Oh. If you FOMO, I'll kick you. That's abuse. Give me a song that you hit the play again button. You can't ask an ADHD person that, because I could listen to songs on repeat over and over again until the lyrics are oh. Do you like folksy music? Hit break even 3 times, either liquidity grab or genuine reverse from major low for longs as winners of the days. Nice! Well, I mean, bummer about it being break even, but still, Debbie. Glad that it's not like stop losses. Oh, going home. Oh, bye! How big is it? What? More wins. Hey, Talisman. I mean, I had a win this morning, but that's about it. Here, I should have. Yes, maybe I should have taken this trade, but it's fine. So that would have been another win, but it is what it is. This is now just running away. Even if I take the full range, I literally cannot. Oh, so that's fun for me. Monster Marv? Okay, I'm a Bitcoin long and I'm over 2K. Whoop whoop, Monster Marv, that's amazing! All this yap just to say Backstreet Boys, no. No. Like I said, folky music. So, have you watched The Witcher? Have you watched The Witcher? Let's start with that. Let's start with a very basic question. Bob to Bob. Bob, Bob, Bob. 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 This is getting ridiculous. But yes, have you watched The Witcher? I'll never say Backstreet Boys. Sorry if I offended anyone with that. This one is nice for looking short, which is nice series and game. There we go. The new 30-minute candle starts now. Let's see. So, Monster Mob. In The Witcher, do you know Jaskier? Right? Played by Joey Beatty. Did you know that he has a band? This could create a bit of sell pressure since we are overbought. Let's see if we get a decent pullback or a drop down. Buyers still seem to be in control. So much. My bias was a little bit bearish today. I was wrong. And that's okay. To be fair, what's this? Been doing the bias 4 days? Yeah, 4 days. 5 days. But 4 out of 5 correct, that's not bad. Month to month. Okay. Have you heard his music? Don't FOMO, I repeat. I know, I'm doing hands off. Can you see? It's why I keep distracting myself and doing this to stop me clicking buttons I should not be clicking. Like mark it in. I'm kidding, I won't do that. I won't do that yet. Thank you. They are my favorite band. They are my favorite. I can listen to them forever. They are my favorite band, 100%. I love it, and it's so funny and it's so catchy, and they tell a story. It is awesome. Some traders just say I need to do opposite of whatever I do. Yeah, sometimes I truly believe that. Sometimes I'm like, I need to fade myself. If I think this is going to be a winner, just change it. Make my stop loss TP and just screw it. Make it a stop entry instead of a limiter. Just go for it. The best series in game, I just getting books of it now. Easier than reading. Okay, but Chris Witcher, Joey Beatty, and his music. Have you seen that though? I feel like you're not a proper fan. No, I'm kidding. Joey Beatty's not like the main character, so I get it. Hey, Witcher, I was wondering where you were. I was actually thinking of you the other day, but how's it been going? How's the trading going? I can tell you for a fact that Bob's gonna judge any music I send though. I'm Future. What's up, Tenny-san? What am I trading? Nasdaq futures. Although right now it feels like trading with a headache. Because oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna make you a deal. Okay, you listening, market makers? Y'all have 10 minutes. Y'all have 10 minutes to start showing me that you guys are gonna start doing some nice trendy price action for me. Or else I'm calling it. Okay, you have been warned. You have been warned. Okay. The positive penguin has spoken. I'm so sorry guys, you've gotten an extra helping of weird today. If anyone watched me during London and now, I am so sorry. Yesterday you got the sassy moody version, today you get the unhinged one. I have no clue what tomorrow's gonna bring, so that's gonna be fun. I blew my account, had some restless nights with bad pillows and work, so I took the month off after playing. Oh no, Witcher, what happened? I'm so sorry, you were doing so well. You're making me feel disgustingly terrible with how well you were doing. If touch bob level is the last setup for me stay. We're shorting this 135 level. I thought you were hands off. Only A++, yep. Ooh. Marusara? I feel like I butchered that. How old am I? How old do I look? Be careful. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, that sucks. We've all been there. Yeah. Like, I literally had to keep reminding myself because it... I mean, I'm not over the feeling yet, but it feels like I'm very close to blowing this funded, and I really have to remind myself that it's normal. It's really normal for people, especially they first funded, to blow it. Doesn't necessarily mean it's nice and you feel any better about it, but it is normal. Paper trade, I want to get in tune again. Oh, okay, cool. That's okay then. His hands off, he's been very good today. I am proud. Whoop whoop. No, you don't get a whoop whoop. You get this.
Nice.
Where's Geordie, guys? Okay, only A++, right? Beans, only A++. I blew 9 funded before first payout. Wow, 9, really? Okay. Serious question time. Are you ready? Let me get serious. Okay. Serious question time then for you, Debbie. How did you cope with it emotionally? Sorry, I know I may be turning this into a bit of a psychology type thing, but how did you emotionally get through that? Because 9 times is a lot. Say it's a lot, I guess you get what I'm saying. Like, how did you keep pushing through? On a good note though, I got a 98. My projector was 120. 6 years on TV. Oh, whoop whoop Witcher, that is amazing though. What are you watching on it? I think that's the proper question. What are you watching on it? You have to take full advantage of having a new crisp TV. That is oh so
Nice.
to watch on. Okay, anyways, beans on toast only, yep. Core resolve, what am I thinking, up or down? Like a lot of people said, this is completely overextended now to the buy side. It just took out a bunch of buy side liquidity. It took out equal highs and tapped into a fair value gap. I'm expecting at least a decent retest, if not a shift to the bear side, but at least a decent bear. Come on, go row. Let's do this. A row. I'm getting a full 100 gig Wi-Fi. I have never watched that. I've never watched that. Anyways. Okay, what about it? I feel like you have to watch The Witcher. Come on. The Witcher from the beginning. Okay, wait. Okay, I've asked Debbie the serious question. Serious question for the other nerds that love Witcher. Did you guys watch season 4? I did not, because I kind of did a proper I ain't watching that without Henry Cavill. But anyways, did you guys watch it? Is it worth it? Should I bother wasting my time? I've heard mixed reviews. That's all I'm saying. Sorry, I know we're taking a bit of a weird detour, but it's because this now ran away without me. To be fair, I did attempt to set that up. I then wanted to follow it back up, and it just ran away without me. I can't do anything if it runs away without me. Which is rough deviation for sure. I can see why Henry Cavill didn't want to do it. Oh, could not watch it without Henry. There we go. Okay. See, I haven't even bothered. I haven't even watched one episode because I'm just like, I don't think I can do it. I think someone will AI Henry Cavill on it one day. And you know what? I would watch that. Didn't they want to like redo it with Henry? I think they realized they made a mistake because so many people just went, I'm not watching if it's not Henry, and that was that. Is this A+? Nope. Is it? Not really. Nope. A little bit of an inverse, but it's not really an A+ setup by any stretch of the imagination. I guess argument could be this is a... No, I actually got nothing. This is like a D setup. Okay, can't even pretend that one would work. Okay, so still hands off. Core resolve. I like that. You can stay. Don't give up and stick with probability. I would not have done that until I seen the trade logs. Message on Discord. Thanks, Debbie. Sorry, Debbie. Please don't think I'm ignoring you on Discord. I've just been so busy. Oh, guys, I have to go. I guess I don't have to, but I probably should go visit my friend again in hospital. That sounds mean, shame. She deserves all the visits, but oh my gosh. Okay, Dom, you took this bob to bob, right? Like a B setup. Got a little fair value gap and a little order blocky there. But it's not A+, and Bean City will kick me if I do not only take A+, so yes. It's okay, I can imagine I've said otherwise, like it does for us all. Cheers, Dom, enjoy! Have a goodie. I hope it's amazing. How long did I give it? I gave it 10 minutes, hey. Come on. TikTok. You're running out of time here, my man. Well, NQ. People call NQ a girl, actually, so maybe not my man. It's just not ideal, but it's okay. We're gonna keep watching this, keep seeing if where this is going. Phase 3, it's not retesting where I wanted to, it's going down. Full 50% of this one. I did say I literally can't take this, but it's a 50% of that range. Said DR Flow, what's up? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Okay. You have 2 minutes left. Give me something good. Give me something good. Come on. Hey, Solly, what's up? How was your nap? Was it amazing? Or was it meh? I understand that as well. I'll accrue 550k next week. Just finishing my taxes, TB setup, and some other work this week. Then I can focus at the close. And it's like, which I forgot. What do you? Which prop do you trade again? You do TPT? No. MFFU. Which one do you trade again? I completely forgot. 500 or so on Ivana. I do TPT and Lucid. There we go. I thought so. Okay. So I must say those two seem to be like the top two, right? What the heck, man, Muddy? I was literally actually mentioning you this morning. Are you okay? Oh my gosh. She's moving. No, she's not. Maddie, I hope you're okay. Damn, sounds like it's rough. I wouldn't quite call this moving. I wouldn't quite call this moving. Okay, okay, let's see. Oh, I'm so sorry, Muddy. That's not fun. That's very, very stressful. I can imagine you are just... yeah. Not in the best frame of mind, which is understandable. Definitely understandable. Sorry. Hey, yo, Boom! How you doing, Boom? Long time no see. How's it going? Have you started your live accounts? Oh, there we go. See, Debbie, you're awesome. What's going on? Why is everyone in hospital? I know someone else is, they also went to hospital. What is going on? Yep. She's sending early today. She's super busy. Hey, live STM. What's up? How you doing? Hey, yo, Jody. Everyone love me now.
That's what she said.
Okay. I'm gonna say this one last time. 3 minutes to show me something good. 3 minutes to present something decent. Whilst I'm calling it early today. I know I like never call it early, but I feel like I have been staring at charts the whole day today. I actually have like a little bit of a headache. It has been a long day. I did have a little win earlier. I'm not exactly rushing to potentially give back profits, right? Ending in green right now for me is good. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Hello. Prakash? I think I said that right. Am I a movie editor? No. Thank you though, I think. I don't know if that's a compliment. Asking if I'm a movie editor, not if I am the film star. Apparently I'm too ugly to be the film star. Anyways. Go fun whoop. Thank you, yeah. It was a very intense whoop, but we'll go with whoop. Damn, how long have you been learning trade? I learned since August 2025. Oh my gosh, you're still a newbie. Oh my word. Okay, I can't speak. I've only been trading for 11 months, but still, Venik, have you started trading like props and things, or you still, yeah. Live stream, how long should you be looking at the charts on a daily basis? I guess it depends per person and the time they have, right? But I mean, I spend 5 to 6 hours. Hey, lead loader, what's up? I remember, how you doing? Is it lead loader or lead loader? Lead, I'm gonna assume maybe lead. Popping bows with the whole oil, yeah.
Emotional damage.
I can help you with the basics. The hint. Yeah. If you guys want, I do have a Discord. You guys are more than welcome to join the Discord. Pop me a message. I'm more than happy to try and help with the basics. I am not here pretending to be a professional that's making millions and millions. No. Every trade I take is live. You guys can literally witness the real life journey and the struggles, and sometimes there's losing streaks, and sometimes okay, it doesn't happen often. Sometimes there's winning streaks. That's like where you win 2 days in a row and you don't know what to do with yourself. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'll call you Louis. Oh gosh. I nearly called it and then it started moving. And we've lost the movement. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thanks for the wish you guys. Honestly, every little bit helps. You have fixed CFDs. So I don't trade CFDs, I trade futures. I don't know when to enter. It's so hard. Venik, do you have a strategy that you're following or not really? Is it bad I trade take profit? I need to be lucid trading and top step trading all at once? No, if it works for you, you do you. What's bad is that you're not using any of the firms I'm affiliated with, so you can't use my code for discounts. That's the only bad thing right there. Honestly, disgusting. Kidding. No sugarcoating. Just see what you get. You're awesome. Oh, thank you, Debbie. You're so sweet. The chart is about betting money. No. No, it's not about betting money. Losing money sometimes, but gaining money is the goal. Right? Oh, she's okay. If you're new, just know you only need to look at the charts all day if you know what you're looking for. Trading is about knowledge. The biggest changes are the little things that add up to one big strategy. Ooh, I like that. And you just keep adding little things until you have like this winning foundation, right? Scalper's delight today, yeah. Let's see this. Huh, look at that. I wouldn't have taken this. This is like I said, this is a C setup. But at least we got some movement. I know Beans will kick me if I do not take an A+++ setup, so. Okay, we got some movement. I think. Yo. There we go. Okay, I'm on it. I'm on it. But overlook the chart and following something at the same time. Well, you know some basics. Benik, pop me a message. Winning foundation, I like that. Yeah, exactly. Start with something and keep adding little things until you go, and then it becomes one thing. Obviously, again, okay, I cannot stress this enough. There's no such thing as 100% win rate. If someone comes at you saying this is 100% win rate, laugh at them and walk away. I'm sorry if I am offending anyone from that. If you say you have 100% win rate, please show me your mansion. I don't know. Show me your millions, basically, because if it's 100%, you should be easily a millionaire. Millionaire. Minions assemble. A millionaire. That's okay. I see a long position. Okay, I have 100% win rate. Not always. I've seen you have some. Maybe you have a really high win rate, but maybe not 100%. Over time, don't rush yourself and don't expect too much of yourself to begin with. Yep, don't compare yourself to others. Wrong when you're not. It's either 100% or blow the account. Okay. Okay. Guys, muddy, literally, if only. I'm gonna call it a little bit early today because I can see this frustrating me. I'm gonna call it while we're in the green. I will be back. And I'm calling it a little bit early, but like I said, headache, let's not push it. This is completely overextended and I have a feeling this might go sideways a little bit or it's gonna start doing weird things. So let's not push it too much. Okay, but I love you guys. I will be back tomorrow, London and New York session. Maybe tomorrow we get some goodies. Let's do this. Sorry, like I said, I'm gonna call it early. It's been a long week and it's Wednesday. You guys are amazing. London and New York, be there. Yeah, hopefully I'll see you there. That's about it. I love you guys madly. If you are new and you want to join the Discord, please feel free. It's in the description below. If you are keen on any prop firms, you can use my code for discount or not, whatever, completely up to you. That's about it. Don't forget to press that like button. See you all tomorrow. Love you. Bye.